Sounds from the Gum Factory is a very lively and bouncy piece. So we're going to start right from here. Middle C position in the right hand, and the left hand starts in the left low C position. And the left hand will be very bouncy like this. You're going to find this pattern repeating back and forth. 5, 1, 5, 1, or C, G, C, G. I will bring your attention to the end bar right here. You have C, G, C, G, C, G. Then we're going to move to the black keys. Black, black, move back to white, white, black, black, and back to the white keys. Okay, but for now, let's listen to the whole piece. So because we're in level 2B now, you're going to see that right hand and left hand are doing different things at the same time. And sometimes one hand also does multiple things. Here, the right hand gets to hold and jump and move. So there's a few things to keep in mind. Let's start off with the right hand thumb on middle C position. We're going to start with E first. So first, let's hold and hold, jumping down the scale. Jump. This time, let's move to F position. Here's the tricky part. F, step down, E, D, C. Jump. Hold. For left hand, we're not going to start on middle C, but that's where it is. And this is the bass C, here's the low C. And we're gonna bounce back and forth like this. C, G, C, G, C, G, all throughout. So let's get ready and we'll play together. We're gonna go nice and slow and bouncy. So jump. Second bar. Third. And fourth. Keep bouncing. Fifth bar. Sixth bar. Seventh. And the eighth. White, white, move to black, black, white.